small medium-sized pusit, which I've marinated in 1/2 cup of. You can add in your squid. Hi everyone, welcome back to Ace Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook quick and easy adobong pusit. I've prepared here around 1 kg of small medium-sized pusit, which I've marinated in 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of vinegar, and some ground black pepper. I've also prepared around 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion and diced it, and 1 medium-sized tomato. To put a little spice on it, I've sliced green chilli, 3 pieces of that, and 1 red chilli. And now I'll be cooking it. So now I'm going to start sauteing the marinated squid. So I've already put some oil in it so that I can start sauteing it. I think it's hot enough. And I can start sauteing the garlic. So I've marinated the squid for around 15 minutes or so, just so that the marinade can sit into the squid. You can skip that process, of course, and do the usual way of cooking it by sauteing it and then putting in the soy sauce and vinegar, but this is a good way as well of cooking it. So let's wait for the garlic to turn golden brown. Now we can add the onion. Once it's cooked, you can add in your tomato. This one you need to cook completely. And I think this is now fully cooked. So you can add in your sauce, but you need to cover it. And let it simmer for at least 3 minutes. Now that it has simmered for 3 minutes, you can add in your squid. I did not slice them anymore because the size is okay. It will shrink once you cook it. And I will add in at the same time the green chili. And I will let it simmer again for around 5 minutes because the squid will quickly cook, and we need to be careful not to overcook it. I'll cover it again. Now it has simmered for 5 minutes. Our squid is now cooked, so I think we should start removing the squid so that it won't get overcooked. See, the reason why I didn't slice it anymore is because it has shrunk to how small it is now. We need to reduce the sauce further, so I'm going to put half a teaspoon of sugar. This is optional. I'm okay not putting it in, but also helps bind the taste. So I'll just wait for it to simmer, especially that you put a lot of vinegar. So we'll just let it simmer until it reduces. You can add in black pepper as well. Let it simmer. So now that we've tried reducing our sauce, so okay, that's it. We put it into the rest of the squid, and we can now serve it. Chili, of course, is optional. It's up to you if you don't want to make it spicy. You can add more sugar as well. But this is our quick and easy adobong pusit. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.